Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how I made this easy future bass drop. Alright, first of all I made the drums. I use Cymatics loop for this one. I layered it with a ride, and then at the second part of the drop I introduce a hi-hat. So that's it for the drums. And then I used this synthesizer sound. It was originally a Serum patch. I bounced it to audio. The whole thing is this. And then I chopped it to sound like this. And then I introduced this lead sound, which together with the drop chords sounds like this. And then I added the bass. It has a sub layer and a mid layer. And for the effects, I added an impact sound right when the drop hits. Alright, so all together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.